What's up everyone? Today I'm back with another video in the south of Portugal. I'm here in Portimao once again. It is like 5 PM already, so it's pretty late, so it's probably going to be a short video, but as you can see the weather is pretty nice right now and it only gets dark around like 9:30 PM right now, so yeah, still have a bit of time. So today we're going to be heading to a little town nearby called Ferragudo. So if you can see that river here, Ferragudo is just the town on the other side of the river. We're going to be going across that bridge right there, and I think we're going to be going by car. You can walk there, but I think by car it will only take like 5 minutes. Apparently it's like a really nice old traditional Portuguese town. Gonna have like a lot of the old buildings, I think like hundreds and hundreds of years old, and yeah, it's supposed to just be really nice. So yeah, that's why I'm making the video. So I'm just waiting for my parents and Carol to get ready, and then we'll be heading there. We've arrived in Ferragudo now. Like I mentioned before, it is only like a 5-minute drive. Very windy, so I hope the audio on the GoPro is okay. I bought some like sponge cover that's apparently supposed to improve the audio, so yeah, hopefully that's working. But already it looks really nice here. Look how nice this looks. So we got like a little beach here, and then I think that's the main town over there. But yeah, definitely very traditional looking. Looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Yeah. Are we in Greece?
Greece, yeah. So like I said, it is really windy, so I'm not sure if my GoPro can handle this. But as you can see here, there's just like loads of boats. So just like Portimao, this was like a proper like fisherman village. Still is, not as much now. It used to just be only fishing, I think. Now there's tourism, obviously. But you can see the buildings look really old here. And it's all this kind of architecture, like white with, I guess, like colored borders. So each building has different colors. Just a really nice place to walk around. We've come to another nice beach now. This one is a lot bigger. You can see that way as well. Really big beach. Nobody really here. The sand is really nice and soft though. And behind me you can probably see there's a fort. So that is called Fort São João. Apparently an artist bought it, so it's not even open to the public, but that was built sometimes in like the 1500s to keep like pirates away from the bay. So yeah, it's a shame it's not open to the public. How cool does that look? I don't think I've ever seen a castle at the end of a beach before, so yeah, it's pretty awesome. And I think there's a walkway here at the side of the castle to another beach, so we're just gonna head down here now. Mum, Instagrammer. some of the cool rock formations that you see throughout the Algarve, the orange rocks. Like a little playground, little tunnels and stuff. Check that, you can actually get through there. Muito irado, né?
Imperial?
Obrigado. Obrigado. So we come to some nice little restaurant right on the beach. What beach is this called?
Praia Grande.
Praia Grande. So I got some chamomile tea and rest of the family are all alcoholics. So Carol and Mum got wine and Dad got, what's that, a local beer?
Yeah, Tigers beer.
And we don't even know the price, right?
No.
Yeah, we just ordered. Yeah. So that cost us €9.35 in case anyone's interested. Now we're just gonna head back through the town. We're not gonna walk along the beach, we're gonna go through like the alleyways and stuff. So yeah, I should be able to show you more like the cool buildings and stuff. As I mentioned before, we're in like the old town now. Come to like a really nice old street. Just look at all these amazing buildings. Pretty much the whole street is just like this. Old colourful buildings. Some nice plants here as well. It's like the places we went to in Mexico, or San Juan in Puerto Rico. Yeah. Got the cobbled roads as well. So here behind me you can see there's a really old church. I think it was originally founded in like the 1500s, but it was destroyed in a big earthquake that they had here in the 1700s. So this building I think is from the 1940s, but yeah, pretty impressive. Kind of similar style to all the buildings that you see here. And then over there is Portimao, where my parents live. So I'm back at the apartment now, and we just ordered a pizza. 3 pizzas actually, Brazilian pizza. So all these pizzas I think were €8.50 each. I always mention about the prices in restaurants, so yeah, that's the price of delivery. They brought it here right now. You guys that are interested in like camera gear and stuff, so this is what I was using for like to windproof my GoPro. And I just watched a few videos and it seems like it worked really well because it was extremely windy. And you can hear a little bit of wind, but from what I heard, it seems like you can hear me clearly. So it's just like a sponge case. I'll put it in my Amazon store in the link of the video in case anyone wants it, because yeah, I think that's going to be a lifesaver for me now since I'm always having audio issues on windy days. And yeah, that's it for the video. I'm just going to close it out now. It was just a small video. It was like a 2-hour walk in Ferragudo. It was a very small town, so there isn't actually that much more to do. It's just a nice little place to walk. And I'm not even sure where the next video is going to be. It might be in Spain, or maybe in other places here in the Algarve, or maybe even like Lisbon or Porto. Not too sure yet, but all those things are coming up. So as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.